Good day everyone. Today I will share what I learned about empowerment technology and why it is important in our lives. This subject teaches us how to use technology in the right and responsible way. It is not only about using phones, laptops, or computers, but also about using technology to help us learn, communicate, and improve our skills. Technology is now a big part of our daily life, especially as a student. Uh, like me, as a student, I learned about online platforms like Facebook and YouTube. These platforms help us to connect with other people, share information, and learn new things. For example, I can use YouTube to watch tutorials about school lessons or learn how to do a project. I can also use online platforms to communicate with my classmates about group activities. Because of technology learn because of the technology, learning and communication have become faster and easier. I also learned about HTML, which is used to create websites. HTML helps recognize or organize the content of a web page, such as text, image, and links. For example, when we see a website on the internet, it is built using HTML. This lesson helped me understand how websites are made and how important coding is in the digital world. It also made me interested in learning more about simple web pages. And from my understanding, technology has a both positive and negative effects. On the positive side, it helps us do research quickly, complete assignment, and developing new skills. And also easy to for communicating. For example, I can search for information online instead of going to the library. I can also use digital tools to create presentation for school. However, technology can also have negative effects. It can cause distraction, especially when we spend too much time on social media. It can also spread false information and lead to cyberbullying if not used properly. Cyberbullying is one of the serious problems online. It happens when someone uses technology to hurt or insult or embarrass another person. For example, sending messages or posting harmful comments about someone is cyberbullying. This lesson taught me that we must think before we post or think before we click, comment, or share anything online. Our words are an action on the internet can affect other people. And now I realize that technology is very powerful. It can help us succeed in school and prepare for our future careers. But it can also cause problems if we do not use it responsibly. That is why it is important to balance our time and use technology in a positive way. I will apply that. I will apply what I learned by using technology mainly for education and self-improvement. For example, I will use online platforms for research, practice my skills, and HTML, and use the internet to learn new topics. And I will also be careful with what I post online and always respect other people. By doing this, I can become a responsible and digital citizen. Empowerment technology teaches us not only how to use digital tools, but also how to use them wisely and responsibly. If we use technology in a good way, it will help us grow, learn, and achieve our goals. And that's all for today. And thank you, and have a great day. And God bless.